Hello, virtual learner or learners. I don't know, something might have changed since I've made this video, and I just wanted to take a few minutes and welcome you to AP English and kind of show you the layout for Canvas and what I want you to be working on over the next couple of days. Okay, so if you click on AP English, you're going to see I have my pages divided up by pictures. So back to school, then the puzzle blocks, and then the books that we're going to be reading, Mango Street, The Handmaid's Tale, and The Kite Runner, which I'm going to talk a little bit more about on Thursday. If you click on the back to school picture, you're going to see the materials for virtual back to school night, the little video I made about myself, the AP English brochure, and parent-student contact information, which is just a Google form that looks like this that I ask that you and your parents fill in. That's going to give me contact information and will let me know any comments, concerns, questions, and things that you have. There's an area right there on the bottom of the form. Okay, so let's go back to home and we're going to click on the building blocks, and that's right where we're at here, introductory materials, voice lessons. That's going to be our first official module of AP English. So if you click on tomorrow's date, you're going to see my agenda, and it's always going to look like this. And on the left side is in-class agenda, and on the right side is going to be the virtual agenda, okay? So you're going to see in class we're going to play a Four Corners game. It's just because it's the first day of class and it's stressful and I don't want to overload the computer system too much. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to, watch this video, and then underneath the video, you're going to see a Google Meet link. I don't need you to click on the Google Meet link and join the class today, but let's try it tomorrow, okay, at about 11 o'clock and see if you can join us live, and we'll see how that goes. And it'll be the same Google Meet link that you're going to use, all the time. Now, will you be needing to join your class live every class period? No. And we can talk more about that as the class periods go by. So really, all I need you to do over the next couple of days, I'd like you to email it to me by Friday, is this getting to know you activity that looks like this. It's a little student survey, and it tells me a little bit about you, and then I would like you to email it to me by Friday. Okay. Contact information, if something was unclear, you can message me right here on the Canvas inbox right here, or you can email me, at, let me fix this, I just caught it, at Matizak at knoxk12.in.us, and I will get back to you right away. Otherwise, that's all you need to do today. Again, on Wednesday, you don't need to meet up with us live. It's going to be totally crazy. But let's try to do a Google Meet with you on Thursday. Again, I'll repeat the link on Thursday's link, and we'll see if that works. Now, if that doesn't work for you, communicate with me, and I will figure out how to relay the information to you, or record what we're doing or part of what we're doing in class so that you can follow along. Good luck on your first day tomorrow, and I will talk to you soon.